Did you know that you can make your own sounds on TikTok? And this is exactly how it's done. Okay, so there are several ways that this can be done. The easiest one is simply to record a TikTok video. Now, what do I mean by that? Just have a look. I'm going to tap this little plus sign and record a video with my voice, okay? I'm not going to add a sound. It is just going to be the sound of my voice. So, let's go. Okay, once you've recorded your sound, now in this case it was my voice, but it could be music or anything like that, right? You then tap the little check mark here, you go next, and then you're going to publish this video. Now, if you don't want anybody to see this video because you were just recording it for the sound, you just select only me, okay? And then you post it. So it's posting. Then you can go to your profile, and in this instance, I'll go to my private videos, but if you've made it public, it will just appear here, just like all your other videos. And you go to this video, and as you can see down here, I have the sound. So tap on the sound and then add to favorite, right? Now, watch this. When I go back, if I want to create another video, I can click here, add sound, go to favorites, and there you have it. This is my own original sound, right? As I say, in this instance, it was just me talking, but you could do this with anything. You could, record somebody who's playing music. And then you simply have this video as private, but you you put the sounds in your favorite, and then you can use it. You could record when you're outside, street noises, any sound, really, then you are free to use it in your other videos. I hope this makes sense. That's how it's done. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, you can subscribe to my channel. Now, if you have any other questions about TikTok, just check out my tutorials playlist just up there. I do have a ton of TikTok tutorials. If you don't find the answer in the playlist, please post your question in a comment below. I will research it and make a video for you. If you found this video helpful, then my guess is you'll find this one helpful next. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.